my travel buddies, welcome to Resh online. Today is my last day in Dubai. Feeling a little sad about it, but right now I'm excited. Excitement was because we were heading to take the Dubai tram to Dubai Marina. I had never been in a tram and I thought this is the day. We went into the station and we were figuring out the route. Then we realized Dubai Marina was at a walkable distance and the tram was not necessary. So that plan was dropped. With a little disappointment, I watched the stunning trams pass by. We then walked towards Dubai Marina, which is a city built around an artificial canal. The high-rise buildings and skyscrapers here will amaze you. You would want to click a lot of pictures, and that's what we also did. We had booked a 90-minute speedboat tour with a company called Love Boats. So we went there, joined the other travelers and headed towards our boat. This 90-minute tour takes us around iconic attractions of Dubai. The guides were very friendly and they briefed us about the tour and the safety measures to follow.
This one, you can automatically blow. And also they have a wheel.
Both started drifting through the canal, gliding past the magnificent buildings and luxurious yachts. Due to government restrictions, we were going at a slow pace. Sometimes you appreciate life more when you slow down. And here we are, drifting in the magical spell of Dubai Marina. We were entering the sea, then the boat gained momentum and the thrilling ride started.
Yeah, I got some new feelings that make you uncomfortable. Bring out all the good in me, yeah. I say what I'll never be, 'cause I got me some reason to look on my keys in the car that we're taking home. So won't you say what you said to me on the roof of your house, 'cause I've been having my doubts.
After passing by Dubai Ferris wheel and beach, we cruised towards the man-made island of Palm Jumeirah. This island comprises of luxurious villas and a number of five-star hotels with the famous Atlantis hotel at the front. We drifted towards Atlantis to take pictures. Then we sped off towards another man-made island which houses Burj Al Arab, one of the tallest hotels in the world. In fact, it is even taller than the Eiffel Tower. Burj Al Arab is usually referred as the only 7-star hotel in the world. Actually, there is no 7-star rating, but when a British travel writer got mind-blown by this iconic hotel during its opening in 1999, she described it as a 7-star hotel in her article, and since then, the name stuck. Tour was coming to an end. We turned back, rode to the sea again, entered the canal, and was back at Dubai Marina in some time. We had one more fun activity in our plan on our last day in Dubai, and if you haven't seen it, click here.